Hey everyone, Mark Thomas here. I'm excited to be speaking again for the ISACA Greater Hartford chapter, where we'll be talking about two of my favorite subjects, AI and governance. Now, AI is transforming every organization, but without the right GRC framework, it can also create chaos. That's what this workshop is all about. We'll break down how to keep innovation on track, ensure accountability, and build digital trust as AI becomes part of your core strategy. Join me for this virtual event on October 21st from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., where we'll dive into Beyond the Hype, establishing a GRC framework for AI. Our learning objectives for this session are to number one, understand the core components of AI GRC. Our second learning objective is to develop a practical AI GRC framework. And our third learning objective, mitigate AI risks and enhance digital trust. For more information, go out to the Greater Hartford chapter website. You can find that on ISACA Engage. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking forward to seeing you online for this virtual event on establishing a GRC framework for AI. Look forward to seeing you there.